Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Recently we have heard that Israel and Palestine, from both the sides, rockets are being fired. So again that conflict has started between Israel and Palestine. Peoples are getting killed. So this reading is for that. What's going to happen next? What is the present status for Israel? Lovers card. So looks like Israel is having upper hand in this conflict. Now what is the present status for Palestine? This is the card. Looks like they are feeling being cheated. Now what's going to be the next step for Israel? Justice card. So they are in no mood to back off. Looks like they'll fire two rockets if one rocket is being fired against them. That's how this card is indicating. That's what this card is indicating. Justice card. Now, Palestine. What's they are going to do next? So this card is clearly indicating that they would like international community to intervene, and they want safety. They will move towards safety. This card and this card clearly indicates that now they will talk to President Biden or other international leaders to intervene and to ask Israel to stop the bombings. Some kind of peace. That's what I can see. That will be their next step. Palestine's. Now Hamas, because from Palestinian sides, Hamas militia is only fighting against Israel. So these are the cards for Hamas. So looks like right now they are in no mood to stop the fighting. No mood. But they will be forced to stop. They will be by international community, or maybe European Union or USA combinedly together. What's there for Israel? What they are thinking, what they will do? It looks like Israel will push for some kind of treaty for permanent peace. That's what it is moving towards. Looks like this conflict is temporary, and very soon we will again see some kind of peace process between Palestine and Israel. In coming 1 or 2 months only, we will see it. And this conflict, this firing of rockets and firing of bullets, this is temporary. This is not going to escalate into a full scale war. So that's it for now. Hope you like the reading. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notification for new videos. Thank you very much.